Hey folks, we got a pair of Nissan Chibikkos here by Choro-Q. This first one I bought loose locally. I don't even know if I bought that locally or online. I very often take a few months, if not a year, to review something. I prioritize new releases more often than these old things. So this one's old. It's casting number 40 of this Nissan BE1. You can see here it's got some nicely printed taillights on there, and the casted in bumpers painted black. It's got a really dark smoked body. This whole body is this one smoked plastic, and then they add the paint on top of it, so it's quite nice. If you want to know how old these things are without the packaging, most often there's a date on the bottom. So this one is from 2006. Standard construction of a screw in the front, a tab in the back, and it's got rubbery tires because these are wind-up toys. And they go quite fast. Yeah, that thing moved because this is a tiny one. Okay. This one has the standard Choro-Q Chibikko wheels. These like multi-spokes. Just has a black paint and they look nicer. And then the fuel filler looks good. The door handle's sticking out. Some panel cuts here. There's the smoked plastic. It's trying to hide the motor. That's why they use a dark plastic. Going to the front, we have some silver headlights, orange turn signals, a grill, a nice grill texture in there, a blank license plate, the casted in bumpers again. We have some vent details here in front of the windscreen. Unfortunately, oh, never mind. Those are probably wiper fluid ejectors. I thought there were contaminants in the paint. The roof rails are painted black, raised a tiny bit. This side has no fuel filler, otherwise it's the same. So, pretty small, straightforward, I guess, toy. Alright, so this one we have some packaging here. We have an R34 Police car. So Takara Tomy is the brand making all Choro-Qs. We have the patrol car collection. I did not know this was a thing, but apparently it is. Let's see. No date on the bottom that I can see. But what about the back? Nope. I guess I bought it locally. That's weird. Usually the Choro-Q packaging has a date on it. So it's odd that this one doesn't. Cut it on all sides, I guess. Okay. Little blister there. See if there's anything in this box. No, it seems like a waste of cardboard, but maybe they do that for structural integrity. So this Chibikko thing has this base, and it's got a square peg. And I think they do that to keep the tires from getting flat spots because, again, it's a wind-up toy. You gotta keep those tires round. I think this would be a smart idea for realistic-looking cars to have, because even though real cars have flat spots, I think I prefer all my models to have round wheels so I can spin the wheels and not have a flat spot. Alright, standard construction, and what's the date on this one? This one says 2007, yep. Alright, so the smoked body, you can see the light getting through here. This one's odd, it doesn't have, the printing of the car. So it's not on the bottom either, so that's kind of silly, Why would they not tell children what car this is? Really strange. Alright, well, nice printing nevertheless. The taillights have the rings in there. The police, the third brake light looks good. The wing is a separate piece, passing air underneath it. There's black on the backside. Some sort of police text there, I'm imagining. Some sort of bumps there holding the adjustable wing. No exhaust pipes that I can see. No. So some police text on the side, and it looks like this tiny bump of a mirror, maybe? Nope. Got a door handle there, tiny door brake. It's got some 5 spokes, which is nice. They're different from the other ones, but they're blanked off, I think. I don't think there's any light getting through. No, I think they're solid. Okay, we got a nice translucent red police light bar there. And then these Japanese police cars have these windbreakers. I think they help keep rocks from messing up the actual glass. Alright, so we got some auxiliary lights here, a bump here. I think there's gold on there. Maybe that's that police emblem that you see on Japanese cars, but it's not printed very much. Very faint. Really nice tight textures in the openings though. Orange turn signals look good, and just a blank silver headlight. But this little graphic on those Japanese police cars is nice and crisp. The break between the white and the black, so that's cool. Alright, yeah, pretty nice, I guess, if you like police cars. Alright, just to get size comparisons out of the way, here's a full-size Choro-Q R34 police car. And you can see this Chibikko actually has more details with the windscreen and the extra lights in the front. So the Chibikko is actually better, I think, as far as the detail goes. The taillights are even better. This just has blank red taillights. This has the orange and the circles in there. There's more printing on the back of that Chibikko, which leads to the question, how old is this? So I see, it doesn't tell you, that's why. Maybe this is really old. And then, if you think Chibikkos are small, the ChoroQ makes these other ones. I think they're called like mini minis or something. So here's an R32 maybe, an mini, and then they do have a mini police car. I think this might be a Crown or something. Unfortunately, they don't tell you what it is. It's just really small. Alright. So yeah, quite a size difference as you can see. So let's get some normal Chibikkos back up here. This one is a Nissan Serena, casting number 62. We also have a Nissan Figaro. Got the tires kind of falling off on that one. This is casting number 35. I had some black paint into the wheels there. Let's get these different sized ones. Oh wow, this is actually smaller than that one by a significant amount. So there's actually 4 sizes of ChoroQs. Wow. You know, maybe I will leave all 4 of these up because the size. Alright. Let's see, I do have this Chibikko R34 undercover police car here. And then I have this R34, a different variation police car, but far less detail. It's actually yellowed from age. Maybe I'll pop this one in here. And the last one is a Toyota Crown police car, Chibikko. So there's the size differences. So obviously, again, seems like there's 4 different sizes of Chibikko, ChoroQs. Standard, Chibikko, I don't know, and I don't know. Mini comes up often, but these two, it seems like that's significantly smaller than that. But I think in real life, a Crown would be as big or bigger than a Skyline. Alright, well, let's get these other ones out. Just get back to the original 2. So depending on when they came out, I guess, you can get still a lot of great detail in the Chibikko, more so than some of the older regular full sizes, so that's interesting to know. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next Super Deformed one. Bye.